don't think we argued once.
We didn't. We talked all the time.
Yeah. Got good leaders.
It's because we love each other.
It's my leadership.
This is great. It's the training exercise. We were broken up into small groups.
No, their leaders have been given instructions of where to go. That's why I told him, once he's done, bring your group to this location. So that way, I only have to talk to 3 people. I don't have to talk to everybody. So once you have a leadership, I only have to talk to 3 people, and then I walk away. So that way, his job is to gather you together and do what?
Relay the message.
Lead. Chain of command. Right.
And it's when you stop listening to him is when you guys look like that.
They ain't got together yet. No. Do they have a leader?
Yeah, they do. But
Right now? Yeah, let's go pee right now. Let's get this started.
Did you run that? Should we run that by the leader first?
Question else is gonna break.
one of the things is he knows where everybody is.
Right.
He knows where everybody's
It's gonna
at.
break. It just.
That's great.
Yeah, look how much that is.
What? Ask your leader.
Crazy? Want to go?
Does anybody else need to use the restroom before the event gets started? Or
No, coach.
put me in, coach. I'm ready to
We're gonna
play
have you actually come over.
today. Look at me.
One guy's right here. Just kind of push down on it. So tighten that up. Okay. And then on 2, I want you guys to ease up on it. That's fast. Ease up. What we're going to do here